Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin threshold. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market. We saw threshold pumping to higher prices. Guys, we've started 2023 on a very bright note. Threshold is up on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. But how high can threshold go in this relief rally? What's a realistic price expectation for this altcoin in 2023? Can we pump to new all-time highs before the end of the year? Or is the rally over? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, where will threshold find support? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the threshold US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We'll also be looking at threshold's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at threshold's market cap, which has rallied up to the $416 million level. What's a realistic price expectation for this altcoin before the end of the year? How high can we go before the end of 2023? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, the chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All coins were dumping to Goblin Town in 2022. We saw all coins get very bearish in 2022. But guys, that was the consequences of the huge bull run we had in 2021. We saw threshold lose more than 63% of its value in 2022. But right now, we're pumping to higher prices. Threshold is up more than 131% in the last 1 week. It's up more than 218% in the last 1 month. What's your realistic price expectation for this altcoin before the end of 2023? How high can threshold go before the end of the year? We saw this altcoin launch somewhere in February 2022. After that, it pumped to an all-time high of $0.21. But since March 2022, this altcoin has been dumping to Goblin Town, and we've seen it lose a total of 93% of its value in around 303 days. But we started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw threshold going from as low as $0.014, pumping to as high as $0.058, going up more than 293% in just a 24-day period. Will threshold continue pumping to higher prices, maybe setting new all-time highs before the end of 2023? Key levels to pay attention to for threshold. First, the bottom where we got to in this bear market, that's $0.014 level. We saw threshold getting to that level in November 2022, and after that, we walked our way and continued pumping to higher prices. Another level you want to pay attention to for threshold, where if we see threshold retracing, we might see a retrace get back to the $0.025 level. Threshold got there since November 2022, but when we finally broke down below that level, it was floodgates that was opened. We saw threshold dumping to Goblin Town, and in just one candle, threshold lost more than 41% of its value in around 2 days. Guys, as we're pumping to higher prices, let's not get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market, and all coins being very volatile. We might just see threshold go back to start dumping to Goblin Town. It's very possible, but that $0.025 level might be where we'll find some support if we start dumping to Goblin Town. Another key level where we might find support if we start dumping to Goblin Town might be around the 0.041 level. We saw threshold getting rejected at that region in August 2022, and after it got rejected at that region, it was a trip down to Goblin Town. I believe we'll see this altcoin setting new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. But guys, 2023 is a great year of accumulation. 2023 is when you start anticipating the next bull run that will start in 2024 and probably end by 2025. Millionaires are going to be made by the end of the next crypto bull run, but those millionaires will have to invest heavily in the crypto bear market that we're currently experiencing. And if you want to be holding threshold till the end of the next bull run, remember guys, all coins can be very volatile, so you don't want to FOMO into those green candles. You don't want to just buy it because you're seeing it shoot up in price. You want to wait for those pullbacks. You want to wait for those dumps when nobody wants to buy some threshold. That's when you want to be getting it. Threshold gave us a lot of opportunities to buy since November 2022. We had more than a 40-day period right here where threshold was trading from the $0.015 level to as high as $0.018 level. And that was a very good time to buy some threshold, because if you had bought then, you would have been in profit right now. You'd have gotten more than 100% of your investment already. If we continue pumping to higher prices in 2023, another level where threshold might face some resistance, guys, we might see threshold pump even to as high high as a $0.077 level. We saw threshold have a candle that went that high in June 2022, but that pump was short-lived as we continue dumping to gobbling town. That will be the line in the sand for threshold in this relief rally we're currently having. If we see threshold start getting to that $0.077 level, some smart investors that bought right here will already start reducing their risks. Threshold is up more than 287% already. It getting to the $0.075 level will mean threshold have been up more than 400% in this relief rally. Threshold has pumped enough in the relief rally. If we take a look at threshold RSI, this is the highest we've seen threshold RSI since when it was launched in March 2022. So even though I expect threshold to pump to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, realistically in 2023, we might still see it dump to gobbling town. And guys, a new all-time low is still on the cards for threshold. With all coins, volatility can swing both ways, both to the upside and to the downside. We might just see threshold slowly bleeding back to the $0.041 level. If that level doesn't hold, we might go back to the $0.025 level. For threshold to get to new all-time highs in 2023, guys, this altcoin will need to pump an additional of 335% to the upside for us to break above the $0.21 region where we got to in March of 2022. If you are buying some threshold for yourself and you want to get some in the bear market, you can get some threshold on Binance, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on BitHub, on Corp Finance, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Threshold is ranked 89 on CoinMarketCap. Over 17,000 people have threshold on their watch list. Threshold has a market cap of $422 million, a fully diluted market cap of $512 million. And in the last 1 year, we've seen threshold go from as high as $0.22 to as low as $0.014. Threshold has a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens and a circulating supply of 8.2 billion tokens. Threshold network provides and maintains a slew of cryptographic permits for several dApps. The network is a product of product merge between Keep Network and NuCypher, which finalized on the 1st of January 2022 with the launch of T token. The T token is both a utility token for the Threshold network and a governance token for Threshold DAO. If you take a look at threshold performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it has been pumping, rightly so. But guys, we're still in the bear market and we've seen threshold lose more than 82% of its value against Bitcoin. We've also seen it dump to gobbling town against Ethereum. We've seen it lose more than 82% of its value against Ethereum. We shouldn't expect threshold to continue pumping to higher prices in a straight line. We're going to have some retracement along the way. This rally might not be over. We might still see threshold continue pumping high against Bitcoin. But always remember that anything that goes up very, very quickly as threshold is doing right now, there's going to be a period of dump. There's going to be a period of reaccumulation. So let's not get carried away, guys. We're still in the bear market. This might just be a bear market rally. All coins are very, very volatile, even in the bear market. And if all coins start dumping, they dump harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins portfolio dump really well in 2022. Threshold itself dumped more than 63.9% in the last 1 year. So let's not be shocked if we see those market participants flipping their threshold for some Bitcoin and some Ethereum by the end of this rally. When people get scared, they start running towards safety. And right now, safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. And in the bear market, when people are scared a lot, you see them flipping their altcoin for some Bitcoin and Ethereum. But when we head back to the bull market, I would expect the reverse to be the case. People will start flipping their Bitcoin and Ethereum for some threshold, which will lead threshold to pump to new all-time highs. I believe we'll see this altcoin pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. But 2023 is going to be the year of accumulation, getting ready for that next bull run. Threshold will have to pump an additional 130% to pump to new all-time highs against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, if threshold is going to pump to new all-time highs, this altcoin will have to go up an additional 130%. If you take a look at threshold's market cap, which has rallied above $400 million, getting to as high as almost $500 million, threshold's market cap got to as low as $121 million in this bear market. For 2023, even though it's possible for threshold to pump above the $873 million region where it got to in April 2022, guys, threshold has enough resistance before we get to that level. If we can blast above the $500 million level, it will take us some additional pumps to get to that $1 billion region. Threshold will need to pump more than 50% pump from where we are currently trading, threshold will need to give us around a 147% pump before we see threshold getting to that magical $1 billion region. Always remember, guys, the bottom might not be in for threshold in this bear market. This might just be an exit pump to the upside. We might see threshold continue slowly but surely grinding its way back to the $124 million level on its market cap chart. I believe we'll see threshold pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. We might see the market cap even pump to as high as $3.3 billion by the end of the next bull run. But those people that are going to profit from threshold pumping to the moon by the end of the next bull run are investing heavily right now deep in the crypto bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see threshold going in 2023? What's your realistic price expectation for this altcoin before the end of the year? Do you think the bottom is in? Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town, or are we going to see threshold pumping to the moon and maybe setting new all-time highs before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2.